Hello kiddos, howdy bacha. I hope you all must be all right. So this is Shipra Dave, your English mentor, and today I'm gonna teach you contracted forms and of course abbreviations too. ये कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं इंग्लिश के अंदर जिन वर्ड्स के शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स कई बार रीडिंग करने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम आती है और कई बार इन वर्ड्स को शॉर्ट फॉर्म करने में बहुत ही जब कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो वहाँ थोड़ा सा कन्फ्यूजन होता है, थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम होता है. So I'm gonna teach you all these contracted forms with tips and tricks and I'll be teaching you the usage of all these contraction forms. Contraction forms होती क्या है वो सब मैं आपको बताऊंगी. So let's begin with that. Contractions. What does it mean, contractions? Contractions का मतलब क्या होता है? Like आप लोगों ने कई बार ये वर्ड देखे होंगे. वर्ड है they are, जिसे लिखा गया है कुछ इस तरह से they are. I will, I won't, he would, hate. So sometimes we just get confused between these words कि ये words क्या इन्हीं words का conversion है या फिर इन words को कैसे बनाया जाता है, कौन से word से कौन सा contraction बनता है. That we will be learning, but let me teach you first what does it mean contraction. Contraction basically ये जो words होते हैं, these are a group of words. तो contraction is a shortened form of a group of words. एक group of words की short form होती है. When contraction is used, basically we can use contraction in written as well as oral English. Oral communication में, बोलने में, spoken में आप generally ये words use कर सकते हैं. We do not use such words. They are going there, they are going there. I will not do your work, I won't do your work. So this is the way we use these words in the oral communication or written में भी इन words का तो grammatically भी ये words बिल्कुल सही है. And when we talk about the contraction words, so when the contraction words are written or they are used, for particular some of the words भी नहीं कह सकते हैं, means some of the letters are replaced by an apostrophe. इनमें से कुछ letters ऐसे होते हैं जिन्हें apostrophe से replace किया जाता है and we call this is apostrophe. We call it apostrophe. So basically this is apostrophe. तो कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं जिन्हें apostrophe से replace, letters ऐसे होते हैं जिन्हें apostrophe से replace किया जा सकता है. They are, यहाँ हमने किसे letter को replace किया है? A हमने omit कर दिया है और उसे replace किसने किया है? इस apostrophe ने. So today we are going to learn about such contractions जो आपके day to day life में oral communication में भी use आते हैं और grammatically अगर हम बात करें तो generally अगर आप tense सीखते हैं तो हर तरह से ये आपके लिए बहुत ही fruitful है and useful है. So let's begin with that. I'm just going to write some of the words over here. The first word is I am. Contracted होगा इसका I am. Example. I'm your favorite child. I'm your favorite child. This is the way we use this am. I am जिसका contraction होता है I'm. Next we do have is you are. Second word is you are. Third word is he is जिसका contraction होता है he's. Fourth one word is now I'm gonna use all these words in a sentence. Let's begin with that. You are. You're such a helping girl, और या फिर हम कह सकते हैं you're such a sweetheart. You're such a sweetheart. You're such a helping girl. So this is the way we use these words. Next we have he is. He's very kind. यूसेज बिल्कुल वही तरीका है जिस तरह से हम जनरली इन वर्ड्स को यूज करते हैं, उन्हीं तरीके से हमने इनका एग्जाम्पल भी लर्न करना है, हमें उसी तरह से इन्हें यूज करना है, बट थोड़ा सा बोलने के अंदर लिटिल बिट जो हम जिस वर्ड को ओमिट कर रहे हैं उस वर्ड को हमें बोलने में थोड़ी सी स्पीड फास्ट रखनी है. लाइक आई एम की जगह हमें बोलना है आई एम. यू आर की जगह विल हैव टू यूज यू आर. ही इज दे आर. They are my friends. They are my friends. Next is इसी तरह से यूज होगा there is. There is जिसका contraction है This is the contraction of there is. इसी तरह से होता है what is. What's the new thing? We just call it like what's. WH words को ही देखते हैं. Where हो गया, where is. Contracted form होगी इसकी where's my car. Where is my car की जगह you'll be using this word where's my car. WH words ही और देखते हैं यहाँ पे who is. It would be who's there. Who's there. And where's my watch. Where's my watch. What's this fuss all about. What's this first all about? There's a river here. So there's a river. Okay. So this is the way we use, or else we can say these are the words that can be used in the contracted forms like this only. इसी तरह से हम contracted words, I'll be teaching you 50 plus contractions today, so that next time wherever you just find such words, कहीं पर भी जब आप इन words को देखें, so you cannot get the confusion, और आपको कहीं ये नहीं लगे कि अच्छा abbreviation भी मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ उसमें, तो you just wait for the end and I'll be teaching you abbreviations too. WH words है हमने किए हैं. Now let's talk about the yes no type के words. Yes no type के words interrogative में I think I have already taught you, but still I'm gonna teach you once again. Yes no type के words में हम helping verb से use करते हैं, like are not. Let's use those words. Negative sentences जो है are not. आर नॉट का जो एब्रिविएशन है उसे हम कुछ इस तरह से प्रोनाउंस करते हैं आरंट. वी डू नॉट कॉल इट आर नॉट, इट इज आरंट. ओके, आरंट मीन्स लाइक से फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी कैन से दे आरंट कमिंग नेक्स्ट वीक, है ना. तो इस तरह से कुछ आरंट. इसी तरह से मैं आपको कुछ और नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस बताने वाली हूँ. They aren't coming next week. Sometimes we just pronounce it and only, but yeah, it totally depends on the pronunciation और obviously कौन सा accent हम use कर रहे हैं उसके according. Generally we just call it aren't. हम इसे aren't ही pronounce करते हैं. aren't. अगर आप British accent की बात कर रहे हैं so will we call it aren't. So let's begin with the negative words. So these all are the negative. Is not. इज नॉट का एब्रिविएशन, इज नॉट का कॉन्ट्रैक्शन क्या होगा? इट वुड बी isn't. She isn't listening to you. Were not. It would be weren't. They were not invited to the party. They weren't invited. It's not were not. They weren't invited to the party. Was not, wasn't. यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? See, always remember one thing. What you have to do, this O letter will be replaced by the apostrophe. क्या है? O letter is replaced by the apostrophe. Apostrophe से हम क्या replace करते हैं? O letter O को. Does not, doesn't. Again O has been replaced over here. Do not, it would be don't. Do not, don't. Like these will be using some more words, like negative words है. इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे ऐसे negative words है जो हम अपने general day to day life में use करते हैं. Like when we talk about this, let's begin with that. Need not. Need not. Need not को कहा जाता है needn't. We call it needn't. प्रोनाउंसिएशन है इसका needn't. You needn't worry about that. You needn't worry about that. See, always remember one thing. जब कभी भी आप कॉन्ट्रैक्शन का यूज कर रहे हैं, अपोस्ट्रॉफी एस के साथ में आपने एन टी, मतलब इस तरह से आपने ओ लेटर को रिप्लेस करके यहाँ पे अपोस्ट्रॉफी लगा दिया है, तो उस सेंटेंस में आपको दोबारा से नॉट नहीं लगाना है. So you needn't not worry about it. No, we cannot use two negative words together. Remember this thing. इसी तरह से mustn't. You mustn't go there. तुम्हें वहां नहीं जाना चाहिए. You mustn't go there. It would be cannot. सारे नेगेटिव वर्ड्स का एक ही रूल है कि आपको ओ लेटर को रिप्लेस करना है एंड यू विल हैव टू यूज apostrophe. You can't do this to me. You can't do this to me. So these are certain words that can be used. इसी तरह से कुछ और words है like will not है, would not है. So I'll be using these words. Will not. इसका होगा won't, would not, wouldn't, will not का हमेशा ध्यान रखना. will not का जब हम contraction करते हैं तो it would be won't, it would not be willn't. इसका हमेशा contraction होता है. would not का wouldn't. इसी तरह अगर has not है, have not है, ये देखिए has not का हो जाएगा hasn't, have not का haven't. So we use such words like this only. need not, cannot, could not. देखो need not का क्या होगा यहाँ पे? need not का कुछ हो जाएगा needn't. You needn't worry about that. Cannot, can't. I can't understand you. Could not, he couldn't get this. He couldn't get this. Will not, it would be won't. Would not, it would be wouldn't. has not, hasn't. So this is the way we use such words. Next we do have in this I will. I will का जो contraction है बहुत ही easy है. It would be I'll. किस तरह से pronounce करोगे आप इसे? I'll. You'll be pronouncing it like I'll. You will, you'll. I think you'll pass. You will. I think you'll pass. He will. I'm sure he'll help you. I'm sure he'll help you if he can. She will. It would be she'll. Next is they will. They'll. I would. Now this is something you should learn about that. This is really very important thing. I would. So how we use this? I would, it would be I'd. You would. This is a complete word that we will be changing it, converting it in its contraction form. यहाँ वो letters हमने replace किए हैं. You would. अब would में ये WOUL. We have replaced these words. This WOUL. We have replaced this word with the apostrophe के साथ में हमने इस words को replace किए हैं. Clear है? You would. इसी तरह से we can use such words. She would. She. I would. She would. Now we would. Same बिल्कुल same ही pronunciation इसका changing हो गया. अब ये देखिए I have. I have को आप कैसे change करेंगे? I, we, e. These two letters would be replaced. I have, we have, she has, we have बिल्कुल same होगा. We have gone there. Okay, I've been there. We have gone there. So this is the way we just change these sentences, these words. Okay, and with the help of apostrophe. अब यही word अगर I have वाला word अगर यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है आपका singular format में, so you will be changing this word. He has, his. Okay, rather than using this he has, you will be using his. He's worked here for 5 years. All right, like he's worked here for 5 years. Got my point? He's worked here for 5 years. So this is the way we use such words. Next we do have is you have, they have, we have already learned that. You had. देखिए you had जो है इसे हम use करेंगे you apostrophe had. He had, he apostrophe d. She had, she apostrophe d. They had, they apostrophe d. We had, we apostrophe d. There are certain more words that can be used, like let us. That would be let's. Let us, let's go to the party. Like let's go to the party. So this is the way we use such words. Who had, let's, and all these words. Now let's talk about the abbreviation. That is really something important. Abbreviations. एब्रीविएशंस में बिल्कुल कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस की तरह ही होते हैं. देखिए एब्रीविएशन जनरली क्या होता है, एब्रीविएशन के ही पार्ट है कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. एब्रीविएशन का पार्ट होता है इनिशियलिज्म, शॉर्टनिंग होता है एब्रीविएशन का ही पार्ट. एब्रीविएशन का पार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्शन भी होता है. बट एब्रीविएशन क्या होता है, व्हाट डज इट मीन एब्रीविएशन? एब्रीविएशन होता है किसी भी वर्ड का जो पर्टिकुलर कोई वर्ड है या कोई फ्रेज है उसकी शॉर्ट फॉर्म. वी कॉल इट एब्रीविएशन. लाइक बहुत सारे एब्रीविएशन आप अपनी डे टू डे लाइफ में यूज होते हुए देखते हैं, लेकिन समटाइम्स वी डू नॉट नो द कंप्लीट मीनिंग ऑफ दीज एब्रीविएशन. ओके, जैसे RIP, CEO. CEO of the company, you must have heard about that. LOL. All right. VIP. That's a very important person. It means very important person. RIP, rest in peace. जब किसी की डेथ हो जाती है तब हम उसके लिए हमेशा ये यूज करते हैं RIP. दिस वर्ड वी जस्ट यूज दिस वर्ड. CEO का मतलब होता है चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर. चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव. लॉल. Laugh out loud. Okay, like you just use IDK, I don't know. बहुत सारे एब्रीविएशन ऐसे हैं जिनका शायद आप लोगों को कंप्लीट वर्ड नहीं पता होगा, बट yes, I'll be giving you some of the abbreviation for the homework only, that you will have to give me the meaning. ASAP, AM and PM. These three abbreviation you will have to tell me in the comment box. Okay, so don't forget to mention these abbreviation in the comment box. In abbreviation की full form आपको मुझे बतानी है comment box में, and I'll be meeting you with the next class or with the next video very soon. Till then, thank you so much. Good day to all of you. Bye bye.